Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Fold 5 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for Auto Rotate shortcut. If you can't find it, look for Portrait one. As you can see, Auto Rotate is over here, so when I click, it's gray and it says Portrait. That means that Auto Rotation is now completely off. If you wish to switch it on, just click on Portrait shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!